Hey guys, how's it going? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to wire in a Bluetooth receiver, in fact a hidden Bluetooth receiver into your car. This way you can play music off your phone without having to have a stereo in the car. Me personally, I think stereos look kind of ugly and too newly dated for what I like. So yeah, this is a pretty easy video on how to do that. And to show you what I mean by that, when I plug the key into the ignition and turn accessory on, you'll hear it boot up just like that. And to do that, all I had to do was have my phone on me. So yeah, let's get started. I'll show you how to do it. All right, for the install, you don't need too much. All you need is a eyelet crimp, a butt connector or two, a pair of decent enough wire crimpers, a test light that is totally optional. If you have a wiring harness that shows you which wire has power to it, you will not need that, but if you'd like to use that, that is definitely helpful. 16 or 18 gauge wire, electrical tape, and in my case, just two different sized Phillips head screwdrivers. But yeah, let's get started. All right. First thing we got to do is take off the tombstone. All right, so in this case, I don't have a center console. That's the first thing you're going to have to remove. If you have a center console, you're going to have one Phillips there, another one there, one here, and two here. One is going to be under the cup holders, and the other one is going to be in the little glove compartment area. So in that case, I don't have one, but I'm going to start by taking these out. All right, so once you have your center console removed, the next thing you got to do is you got to remove this screw right here. All right, and once that screw is removed, I find it easiest to put it in reverse or fourth or pretty much any gear, just as long as it's kind of out of the way. On the Miatas, you have a clip here, connected up here. You have a little wiring harness that goes into these two buttons. And if you have a stereo, you're gonna have to remove either the stereo trim, or pretty much only thing that's being blocked by the tombstone. Sorry, I don't have that. In this case, it's a little different, but it's overall the same thing. So as you'll see, just by pulling right here, that takes out the one clip. Here, kind of pull back and pull back here. So like that, the whole tombstone will come off. Right back here, you have a clip. So right back here, you have a little clip. You just gotta push on that little clip right there. Just like that. Just that. See, there's a little button. You just gotta push that in and pull back. In my case, I have a little aftermarket gauge that's plugged in, so I'll pop that out really quick. All right, and just like that, tombstone is out, and you'll see got a little clip up there and those two clips down there that I was talking about. In some cases you'll also have one there, but in my case mine is actually broken. Being an old car, stuff snaps. All right, so once the tombstone is off and you open it up, you're gonna see this is your main wiring harness to your stereo. In my case, I actually have the clip cut off because I'm not using it, because I already had this wired in previously. With the clip, it's just gonna be a clip like that, but attached to this harness. And then this is going to be the pigtail that goes to the harness to supply power. In this case, I have this wire. It's grounded to a stock chassis ground, and then this wire, the red wire, I have it wired into. Where'd it go? I have it wired into the blue and black wire. The blue and black wire is actually a ignition powered wire. So when I turn accessory on, that wire gets power, and that wire, the blue and black wire, is also connected to the cigarette lighter that turns on with ignition. So I'll post a picture of the wiring harness and I'll have it marked up. All right, so once you have that all wired in, it should look like from bottom to the top. It should be red, green, red, white, blue, yellow, and then solid blue. And with your 12-volt pigtail, it should be red wire with a butt connector or soldered to the black and blue wire. And then your black wire should be grounded in my case. Once again, it is grounded down there. Let me just plug this in. All right. And once that's plugged in, it should look like that. And then you'll grab your keys, wherever I put my key. All right, you'll grab your key, insert it into the ignition. This will show power because it'll have a blue light. You'll also hear the ding. And then the second ding is it linking to my phone. I already got that all set up. And then here is your volume knob. So this, before you get it all set up and put back together, I would play some music and adjust this to your max volume on your phone to make sure it's loud enough to listen to. Yeah, so that's it wired in. And then on the back, I also have a little command strip Velcro guy that I could just use to stick it right there. And yeah, so that's how I did it. I'll get this all buttoned back up and let you know what's and once you got it all wired in, that's pretty much it. When you turn on an accessory, you should hear the first 2 dings. There's one. There's the second one. That's it reconnecting to your phone. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was a good enough video. I don't really do videos or tutorials too often. But yeah, hopefully that helps. I'll link a description to the receiver I used in the description. But yeah, that's really all it takes to do it. So if this helps, please, let me know. Ring the bell, I guess, and hit the subscribe button. I don't really know, but yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.